So, what's up, guys? Welcome back to another trading recap. It's been a while because the market is pretty shit, to be honest. We had a lot of news the last week, so I didn't take any trade. I was just hoping for better days, and today we had a better day. So I traded Euro to USD today, which is kind of different because I only trade pretty much NQ gold, not even GJ anymore. But I normally just trade gold and NQ. But last couple of days, price action was so good on this forex pair, and I was like, yeah, why not give it a shot, right? I mean, it doesn't change anything, bro. I kind of back tested it a lot, so I feel comfortable and confident to take a trade today on it. And that's what I did. So this trade actually passed me a funded account, which is pretty nice. So this was a really solid trade. A low risk trade, but pretty solid. Um, Made about like 900 on this trade. Nearly 1k, but it was pretty low risk because I just need like 500 to pass the funded. So yeah, I wasn't going like crazy lot size on it. But why did I take this trade today? As I told you a second ago, I backtested a lot, and I didn't change anything in my strategy. Like, why should I? We had this beautiful 4-hour equilibrium from this bottom low to this top. We had a beautiful 1 hour fair value gap on the bullish side, which already like, you see retraced and made like pretty much an equal high. Not really equal high, but you can say it's equal high. I mean, come on, bro. It's not that deep. But yeah, and I was like, yeah, okay. We are in this price range right now. I took this trade at New York Open, like I always, even though it's like euro and US dollar, so I could take it in London session, but I just feel way more comfortable with taking trades in New York session. So I did the same thing here. Why did I enter the trades? Pretty basic, like it's in every video. In every video, I have the same strategy, and this is all you need. You just need one strategy that works for you, and you repeat it, repeat it, repeat it. Stick to your rules, and you will pass the funded. It's not that hard, to be honest. If you just set your mindset right, it's nothing crazy, to be honest. But it takes a lot of practice, and if you put the work in, you will pass fundeds and make money. But let's get back to the trade. So I always look for, mostly when I need an A plus setup, I pretty much always look for 5-minute breakout structure confluences. We have an equilibrium perfectly lined up with our 1 hour bullish fair value gap. We already had like good retracement on this fair value gap a couple of times where we make new highs. And yeah, we entered the zone. I nearly got like liquidated on the shit, nearly. But we're still good on that. So yeah, I took this trade right about, let me check, was it here? I think it actually was here, right about here, on this 5-minute breakout structure right here. But I had two positions, that's why this one is a little bit lower. But why can't I, you see that? I mean, okay, it doesn't matter, bro. I'm autistic. No, I didn't hit my stop loss though. So, yeah, we kind of took this trade right around here. And we got a little bit of backfire on this shit, because there was like this 15-minute fair value gap on the bearish side, which retraced. But I knew this shit gonna happen. it could have happened. I had it in mind, and I was kind of like, yeah, but no way it goes for a liquidity sweep right now, right? There's literally no way. We have such a strong. I mean, you really don't know, but I just stick to my rules. I mean, the 4 hour was bullish, the 1 hour was bullish. Everything looks so bullish. We had great buys. We had this top, we have this high, we have this high. Everything to take out. We have this high. We have so many highs to take out. So I was like, there's no way this gonna retrace all the way back. Where gonna be the comeback? You know, there was nothing basically here. So I was like, yeah, okay. Even though there's a 50-minute inverse fair value gap, no, it's not an inverse fair value gap, but it's a bearish fair value gap. I take this trade, and we got rejection. Then we broke structure right here again on the 5-minute. Then we broke the inverse fair value gap. Oh, inverse, why I say inverse? We broke the fair value gap right here, and this where I was like, yeah, we are getting this funded down, and that is what happened. We took out this high, and because I pretty much never trade forex, so I was unsure about my lot size, right? And I didn't know this would make me this much. I mean, this would make me like 1k, right? Right about 9. I mean, it hit everything, but I was like already past my funded with the first TP, which is kind of crazy. Right here, this passed me my funded. So yeah, which kind of gave me more comfortable was like, even though backfired, we made a higher low and broke structure to make a higher high at this point. So I was like pretty sure we're gonna get this shit done, bro, right? If you want to be really, really, really safe, I mean, even though we had a breakout structure right here, but I know a lot of people don't want to take these type of breakout structures like this small wick. So even if you're entered like on this, I can't move it, bro. It's like, am I autistic, bro? Where is that shit? How the fuck did that happen? Where? Bro, this sucks, man. This sucks. I don't know why that's the reason, but what I want to tell you is you could also take the trade right here, right, and aim for these highs. So you would still have a decent trade at this point, like 1.3 ratio, or if I took this stop loss, like 1.5 ratio, it would still be very decent. So if you want to be more sure about this trade, you could also look for that. But I always like go for 2-ish, 2.5, or maybe 3 risk reward, depends. I wouldn't even took this trade then. That's why I took it right here. A little bit aggressive, but with low risk, as I told you, because I don't want to throw any, like, I don't want to make dumb decisions on a pair where I don't even know the lot size right. So yeah, but this trade actually passed my funded, and we